Apply a generous amount of permanent glue inside one channel of the purse frame from hinge to hinge. Then you're going to center and push the upper edge of the bag into the channel. If you'd like, you could use a flathead screwdriver to help you push the fabric up into the channel, but be careful to not scratch the purse frame. Use large binder clips or clothespins to hold the top edge of the bag in the frame while the glue dries. You'll want to allow the glue to dry for at least 24 hours before using your bag. Then you can repeat to glue the other side into the remaining channel. If you find that the fabric is a little loose inside the channel, you can add a few short strands of thick twine inside the channel. Otherwise, after the glue has dried, you can use a rubber-coated pliers or a scrap of fleece and a regular pliers to clamp each of the channels tighter against the bag. Just be careful to not clamp too hard in one place or another, because it could cause your purse frame to look dented.